Yo, what's up, guys? I have some, it's Motovlog day. I should start off with that. I have some good news and I have some bad news. Good news is we hit 50 subscribers. We're actually at 51, so hey, that's halfway to 100, right? That's fucking amazing. Awesome. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please continue to subscribe because the content is not gonna stop. Now we got the happiness out of the way. Now it's time to bring some sad news. As you know, well, maybe you're not know, maybe you're new to this channel, I have a friend, a good friend, great friend. His name is Stone. You may have seen me on his bike before. He rides a CBR 1000, as you know, or don't know. And I'm currently on my way to go meet up with him at his house because he crashed his motorcycle. I have no footage of the crash. Neither does he, because we were leaving the gym. He actually stayed later at the gym than I did, talking with a couple of friends. Okay, my fucking head thing just went off for some reason. Kind of weird. I don't know if you heard fucking SIRI in my helmet, but she just went off. Anyway, he stayed later at the gym than I did. And he was leaving, and somehow, some way, no idea how, he has no idea how, it was kind of a freak thing. He got oil on his back tire, and when he went to go turn the corner, he lost his ass end. His ass end came out from underneath him, and he crashed. I have some footage of me, my brothers, and him. He couldn't really do much because he was really, you know, he was in a lot of pain. I have some footage of us loading his bike onto the trailer, so I'll put that in right here.
Yeah, but on the iPad.
One. Okay, ready? Yep, go. Okay, I got it. Okay, my brake's on, dumbass. Okay, go. Push, I need you to push. Now we're gonna have to straighten it out up here.
Yeah, I thought you just came up right here.
No, it's fine. I'll back
Could have
up.
turned on your mom's headlights.
Yeah, I know, but...
I wouldn't even try to get on it right now.
I'm not. I'm trying to back up. Pull. I'm going against you, kid. Okay, let's get on the ramp so we can back up and get straighter again. Push. Slow, slow. Keep pushing. Now stop. Keep going. Tell me when I'm like going off.
Keep coming up.
Ooh, we might actually be good.
No, you're not.
I'm not.
Keep coming forward.
Keep going, Johnny. Easy, easy. God, you're going so hard.
Okay, either now I would back up now. Turn your wheels that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna drop it off, so just drop it off.
What?
We should really strap this down.
No, just slide it this way.
It needs to be on, what are you talking about? Slide it this way. It needs to come up in the middle of the truck. Just come forward now. You should be able to do it if you do it right. Hard that way. Is that all the way? Okay, yep, keep going that
Keep
way.
pushing. Slowly, Jonathan, slowly.
How you get over that hump? So I'm gonna put more power. Yep, keep coming.
Is the back wheel on or off?
Barely on.
Just see if you can like slide it. Push slow now. Josh, you grab the front when you turn.
I guess the tire is on.
Barely, but just keep going. You should be good.
Bring it this way.
We can't. We're now they're bent straight.
Don't put it against that.
Well,
this thing needs room to rock back and forth so it doesn't bend this fucking thing into the back of the cab. Now where are the
right there. Let me put the kickstand down.
I don't know what I did with the straps.
Right here.
Are you sure you have them?
Yeah. What did I do with them?
Oh God, that is a wheelie. They should. I put them in the back seat. In the back seat. Yeah. So as you can tell, that sucks, man. That sucks. Luckily, his frame sliders took a huge brunt. like his frame sliders took a lot of the fall, like 99.999% of it. The only other percent that didn't, I think, is what somebody said was a stator cover is what it's called, I think. I don't know if that's right or wrong. You can tell me in the comments below if you know what that is, because I don't know what it is, but I think that's what it's called. And that was a big hole. Yeah, he just pissed oil and was leaking oil. I'm sure I can put some footage when I get to his house of his bike, because it was all done at nighttime, so I can take some more footage right now when I get to his house. But I just thought, you know, it sucks that we have good news, 50 subscribers. Hell yeah, baby, halfway to 100. Let's get to 100. And I'm gonna pass these guys. Halfway to 100, let's get to 100. And some bad news that we won't be riding with Stone much anymore. He still has a bike, but it's up at my house, so we'll have to see how long it takes him to recover, huh? Damn, that was a lot of bikers. Downshift. Okay. Not gonna lie, now that Stone went down turning a simple corner, your boy's a little scared. It just puts into perspective how little the thing has to be before it, you know, crashes you. It's a lot more intimidating, but thank God that he went down going 15-20 miles an hour instead of, you know, what I just did, 120 miles an hour. So thank God Stone's all right. I'll put in the vlog how he's doing and see all that, but I'm gonna quit talking on the highway because I know I have to yell, and I hate yelling at you guys. I feel bad. But I'm gonna leg this out, and I'll pick up the vlog when I'm a little bit closer to seeing Stone. All right, we're just hopping off the highway here, almost to Stone's house. Fire truck, nice. It kind of sucks, man. Like, you know, it's sad. I'm gonna miss riding with Stone. I'm gonna miss going fast. Oh, hit the roof, dink. I'm gonna miss going fast for sure. Because, I mean, winter is like, I mean, it's not here yet. We've already had a couple snowfalls. I know you can't really tell. What the fuck? Stop listening. I don't know how to respond to that because I wasn't fucking talking to you. Jesus Lord. Did any of that statement that I just said to you guys sound anything like hey, S-I-R-I? Because I don't fucking think so. I'm going for this. Fuck you. It was yellow. I don't think so. The bitch will just start fucking going out of nowhere. It's like, I'm not fucking talking to you, dude. Like, you know, I don't know. It's fucking annoying. Anyway, yes, it's very fucking sad. Why is this truck going 1 mile an hour? That's very fucking sad. But, you know, it just matters that Stone is okay. Stone's alright, you know. I'm not going to be able to go to the gym with him for a little while and, you know, not be able to ride maybe. We'll, you know, have to see how he's feeling. But, you know, it sucks. It sucks. But other than all that, I mean, there's really not much shit interesting has happened. My ear appointment is tomorrow, so we'll have to see if your boy is gonna be deaf for the rest of his life, or if I'm slowly gonna lose my hearing. I have some weird, rare fucking, you know, shit that causes me to fucking lose my hearing at 23 years old. You know, we're gonna find that all out tomorrow. I feel like it's gotten better a little bit. Like a little bit. I think it's gotten a little better, but it's not enough for me to be like, oh yeah, it's you want to hear some pops? Oh, I didn't get any to go. I feel like I should still probably go and get it looked at, unless tomorrow I wake up and some miracle happens where I can hear again, which you know, what's the likelihood? You know, little to fucking none, basically, you know? So, that's no fucking fun. All right, we're almost there, so I'm gonna check in when we see how Stone's doing. Of course, as soon as I turn the GoPro off, a fucking Toyota cuts me off and almost fucking kills me. I can never get anything interesting on camera. It's okay, because I rev bombed him and cut him back off. Was that the right thing to do? No. Did I do it? Yes. Am I still alive? Mm-hmm. Did I die? Almost, but I'm still here, so, you know, can't complain too hard. Can't complain too hard. How are you feeling? Good?
Feeling alright.
Good. He's good. Just made it to Stone's house. There's the bike. There's you guys. Stone's feeling alright. A little banged up. His wrist hurts, but here's some of the damage in the daytime. You can see where it punctured under. I'm gonna try and get my phone under there without getting oil all over the place. You can see it's cracked all through there and all up here. And then here's his frame slider. It's all metal. Yeah, it's all.
A little inky dinky.
Yeah, there it is. Like, there's the cap. Like, right there. Keep that as the souvenir. What we might do is Stone's car is over there. He can't really drive, so I'm probably gonna do it. But we're gonna go back and look at where he crashed today. But as you can see, look at his front wheel. That's all oil in his rear wheel. This is nothing but oil. It's all up in there. So as you guys can see, this is what he left. It literally continues all the way up to right up there. Here's where we loaded the bike into the truck last night. You can actually see the marks that we left trying to get it up the hill into the truck. There's Stone's Camaro and things, but yeah, this is what was in that bike, and that is a ridiculous amount of oil, right? Okay. So as you can see, he was turning out of here, and as he did this turn, he caught his oil on his tire. He slipped, and he actually crashed right. I mean, cars. He actually crashed right here, and as you can see, this is where it popped the hole, and then he leaked all of this stuff in yesterday. See, this is Stone's trail, we think. Fuck me. See, we think that is Stone's trail still right here, as you can see it, and he loses the bike right here. I think he slips out right here. Bike hits right here. That's his cover. This is his frame slider, and then he loses it right here. Okay, as you can see by looking out over yonder this way, it's dark. I'm at Stone's house. Stone's right there. You can't really see him though, but he's right there. His wrist, he bought a little wrist strap. I know you're not gonna be able to see it really. Yeah, you can kind of see. Yeah, see, he bought a little wrist thing. It's helping his wrist. We just left the gym. No, we didn't work out, but we did sit in the steam room because it does help with pain and stuff like that. So we did that. But I just thought I'd wrap this vlog up now because, as you can see, you literally can't see anything, so it'll be dark, so it'll be pointless for me to film anyway. So if you guys enjoyed, I know this was probably a shorter one. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, share with a friend. Stone can't make any more photo vlogs, but you should still go check out his channel, Stone Peters. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, share with a friend. Shout out for 51 subscribers, and I will see you in the next one. Later. Bonus clip. Hey, Bob. Bye, Bob.